symmetrical, that is.
Oh, it's a geranium.
Yeah, it's got little pink, sort of bright pink flowers on it. Again, it hasn't flowered yet, so I don't know if it's a full
And what's this hiding?
That is Caryopsis. Caryopteris. It's got blue flowers on it. Very delicate. But again, that's a new plant, so I'm not sure if it will.
It's a bush. It's a bush, isn't it? Very
It's
woody.
a shrub, and
Shrub.
it will get to probably about that height. It's delicate spires of blue.
Color imitation, you know, the color coordination, yes.
I've tried to get them fairly subtle. I don't know Thank